which rhyme you want to sing? Come on, sing. Sing. Very good, Dayanand. Next is Mahaswin. Mahaswin,
Yes.
come on, Mahaswin, sing.
Yes.
Sing.
Dobi raya, nakalaya, पांचना,
एक दो तीन.
एक दो तीन.
Hmm.
दो भी लाया,
Dobi
इतना
aya. It's not
कटलाया.
dobi laya. It's dobi aya. Okay. दोबी आया कितने कपड़े लाया? 4 5 6 4 5 6. धोबी आया कितने कपड़े लाया? 7 8 9 7 8 9. धोबी आया कितने कपड़े लाया? What is this?
एक पांच दस.
10 by bus.
बस.
Yes. Okay, very good. Next time you have to sing even more clearly, Mazvin. Okay. Next is Nivin Surya. Nivin Surya. Come
Yes,
on, sing the rhyme. Machli rhyme or Dobi rhyme you want to sing? Machli rhyme. Sing.
मच्छी देखी रानी है, दीवी देखी रानी है.
जीवन उसका पानी है. Repeat after ma'am. जीवन जीवन जीवन. Not even ma. जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, मर जाएगी. Yes, very good, Nivin. But still more practice is needed. Okay, Nivin? Yes, good. Next.
Okay,
Thank you, Nivin. Next is Roshan. Come on, Roshan. What rhymes you are going to sing, Roshan?
मछली जल की.
Come on.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगा तो मर जाएंगे, बाहर
निकालो तो
मर जाएंगे.
Very good. High five, Roshan. Very good, Roshan. Sang very well. High five. Yeah, good. Okay, next it's going to be Arjun. Arjun, namaste. Did you say namaste to ma'am? I'm seeing you now only. Namaste. Namaste, Guruji.
नमस्ते गुरुजी.
Now sing the rhyme. Huh? What?
मामी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. आग लगाना तो डर जाएगी, खाना नहीं देना तो डर जाएगी.
What is this? बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी. Okay? Yes, something you are singing in the last line. Bahar, it's bahar. Okay? Bahar means out. Okay, Arjun? Well done, Arjun. High five, Arjun. Good boy. Next is Ryan. Ryan is there?
Yes,
Yeah, come
ma'am.
on, sing Ryan. What rhymes? Machli rhyme or Dobi aya rhyme?
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगा मर जाएगी,
हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी,
चांद को
मर जाएगी. Very good. Okay, children, I want all of you to stand up. Stand up, all of you stand up. Yes, we are going to start the session now. Okay, it's already time up. All of you stand up first. All of you unmute and say Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste, Guruji. Namaste, Guruji. Namaste, Guruji. Namaste, Guruji.
Yes, Simran, you joined. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Very good. Very good and thank you. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste, Bacho. Namaste. All of you keep standing. All of you keep standing. We are going to play a game now. Okay? Shall we play the game? Now, ma'am is going to say, Utho. Utho means you have to stand up. Baito means sit. Okay? When I say baito, what you'll do? What will you do? You will sit. Very good, Grithvik. When I say Utho, you will stand. Okay? Ready? All of you are ready? Yes. Ready, steady, go. Baito. Baito. Utho. Baito. Utho. Baito. Baito. Satvik, I got you. Utho. Baito. Baito. Oh, Nivin, wrong. Baito means you have to sit. Okay? Utho. 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 Baito. Baito. Now, ma'am will not show you the actions. I'll just say you have to do. Ryan, come on, do it correctly, Ryan. Utho. Utho. Baito. Baito. Utho. Baito. Grithvik, you are very clever, Grithvik. Baito. Utho. Baito. Baito. Utho. Well done, well done. Grithvik played very well. Ryan also and Satvik also very good. And thank you so much, children. Now you can sit. Come on, sit down. And can anybody tell me what we learned last week? What did we learn, children, last week in Hindi? Arjun, no digging your nose, Arjun. What did we learn last week in Hindi? Anyone tell me what did we learn? Forgot, children? You all forgot. You totally forgot Vanilla ma'am also. Yes, what do we call that? Aase anar, aase am. What do we call that? What are those? What are those? Swar. Okay? Those are swar. We learnt about swar. Okay? So for that, what did we learn? Aase. 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 Anar. Yes, aase anar. Aase. What is this? Amrud. Amrud. Okay, A say anar, A say amrud. And next, A. Okay, A say, what is this? Am. And this one? What is this one? Alu. A say am, A say alu. Okay, all of you should open your mouth and say ma. Alu. If you are not unmuting also, it's okay. Be in your place and you say loudly. Then only you will get into your mind. Okay. Next is E. E say. What is this? Ika. Wrong. E say. Imali. E say Imali. E say Imarat. Imarat means building. See here, Imarat. Okay. E say Imali. E say Imarat. Next is E. E say Eek. On the day itself, I taught you, right? What is Eek? What is Eek? What do you mean by Eek? What is Eek, ma? Come on. What is Eek? Yeah, good. Sugarcane. And then Eent. E say Eent. Eent means brick. You can see the brick here. All of you can see? Brick. E say Eent. Okay. Next, what word will come? Next, what is the word? Next, what is the word? Woo. Woo say. Woo. No. Woo. Woo say. Ullu. Woo say. Ullu. Woo say. Upahar. What is upahar? Upahar means gift. Upahar means gift. Okay. U say ullu. U say upahar. Okay. Next is oo. Next is oo. Oo say oont. Oont. What is oont, children? What is oont? Camel. Very good. Oo say oont. Very good. And oo say oon. Oon means woolen thread. Oon means woolen thread. Oo say oont. Oo say oon. Okay. And next is ri. Ri say rishi. Ri say rishi. And then ri say rishab. Okay. Ri say rishi and ri say rishab. Next is a. A say ad. What is ad? What is AD, children? Your leg. Very good. A say AD. A say Ektara. A say Ektara. You can see here. Ektara. Okay? And then I. I say Ainak. I say Ainak. Not Enoch, ma. It's Ainak. I say Ainak. Next is I say Airavat. I say Airavat. Okay? I say Airavat. Next is O. O say Okali. O say Okali. O say Odni. Odni means the cloth they put on their head, right? See, the lady, she is wearing a cloth on her head. That is Odni. Okay, Odni. Next is Au. Au say Aushadi. What is Aushadi, children? Medicine. Okay, Aushadi means medicine. Au say Aurat. Au say Aurat. Au say Aushadi. Next is Aha. Okay, now all of you tell me Ase. Ase. What is Ase? Ase? Anar. Very good, Kumaran. Ase. Ase. Very good. Ise. Ise. Imali. Ise. Very good. Ise. Eek. Very good. Use. Ullu or oont. Okay. And then, sorry, ullu. Oont is for oo. And then say oont. Say oont. Okay. And then say rishi. Very good. And then say ad. I say Ainak. O say Okali. Okay. How say Aurat. Very good, Shravan and Nivin. Sorry, Grithvik. Aurat. Very good. Ang say Angur. Very good. Ang say Angur. Anda. What is anda? Anda means egg. Okay. Ang say Angur. Ang say anda. Egg. Okay. And then we finished off with our swar. And now take your notebook. Write a, I, E till aha. You all know how to write or you want me to write? Yes? Yes, take your 4-line notebook. What, Dayanand? Take your 4-line notebook, ma. I'll write and show you, children. Wait. Write in your 4-line notebook. Last time we wrote it. Yes, ma? What, Dayanand? Dayanand, I can't hear you, Dayanand. What, ma? Huh? Sorry, that
Video not clear, ma'am.
video not clear. Video or audio, which is not clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Is everybody
Audio
having the
மட்டும்
same
video
issue?
இல்ல, ma'am.
Video is not there. Everyone can see me, children.
Yes, ma'am. I can
Is
see
everyone
you,
able to
ma'am.
see me? Everyone is able to see me, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
for Rayan, ma'am, but audio is not clear actually. We are
Audio is not
connecting to
clear.
Bluetooth and he. Yes, ma'am. I'm speaking.
Audio is not clear. I'm not connecting to through Bluetooth. Headphone only.
Oh.
Full volume only. I don't know why. Audio is clear for ma'am. Uma ma'am also shared. Everyone, are you able to clear? Are you able to hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am. We could be able to hear you.
Okay. Now Dayanand. Dayanand, there you have 2 vanilla in that group. Okay. In that one vanilla P, I'll be visible. You see, you check and see. Yes, now can you see me? Yes, Dayanand. Yes, Dayanand's mom, your mother is there with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you see me, Dayanand?
No.
Yes or no, ma?
Chennai. Mother is Chennai. Here.
Can you please type, Dayanand? I'm not able to hear you properly. Write in your notebook, children. If you are able to write, you write, or else I'm going to write in the slate now and show it to you. You can see and write, okay? Nivin, you need not worry, Nivin. I'm writing it and I'll show it to you, okay? Yeah. Write today's date and start writing. Yes, everyone can see the slate, right? Ryan, are you able to see the slate? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, Ryan. Those who know to write on your own, you can write. Those who doesn't know,
I
you
have
please.
completed,
You
ma'am.
completed, I know, Gritvik. You will complete. Very good, Gritvik. Check whether you have written correctly. See the slate and check it. Check one by one. Is there? Is there? Check one by one. Come on.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Gritvik. Thank you. Nivin, look at the screen and write, ma, Nivin. Masvin, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Shravan.
I
Satvik.
writing, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Nivin, write,
I
ma.
writing.
Yeah, Nivin, write. Are you writing? Okay, very good, children. Satvik is writing. Satvik is writing.
Yes, but I don't know.
But I don't know what. What you don't know?
Eight,
Huh?
80. 80.
A say AD. Only A you are going to write. Yes, very good, Sai. Check whether I have written it correctly, Sai. Sai Charan, leave enough space and write, ma. To give enough space and write. Ma'am has written like that. All together. No, no. I have given equal space for everything and I have written. Write one more time. Once you finish A, leave some space. One finger space gap. Sai Charan. See here, Sai Charan. After you write A, take your pointer finger, keep it here and take the space. And then next to your pointer finger, you have to write the next letter. Like that, you have to try writing it. Okay, when you go to school also, it will be very useful for you. Those who finish, please check it out. Ryan, right, Ryan. Correct, Grithvik, you wrote everything correctly?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Grithvik. Get a star from your daddy, come on. Ask him to give a tick mark and you get a star, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Grithvik. Sai Charan also, get it corrected by your dad or mom and get a star, Sai Charan. Arjun, any doubts you have, Arjun? Spell and write. I want you to spell and write, children. Come on. When you are writing A, you spell it as A. Whatever letter you are writing, spell the letter and write.
Ma'am, I frozen, ma'am.
Yeah.
I
Tell.
finished.
Show me, Shravan. Turn your notebook and show me. Very good, Shravan. Check it whether it is correct. Once it is correct, you get a star from your daddy, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just check it whether it is correct or wrong. Check it every letter you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
13 letters you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Then get it corrected and get a star. Did you write the date? Today's date is 13.
Okay, sir.
Come on. Next, who else finished, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am.
Maswin, you have written correctly? Check it, Maswin. Check, check. Check whether you have written everything. Yes, written. And then get it corrected, get a star. Get it corrected and get a star. Very good, Maswin. Good. Nivin. Yeah, show me, Nivin. Wow, Nivin. Well done, Nivin Surya. But E, have you written E correctly like how ma'am has written? Check your E whether it is correct. Standing line and then a S. Is there a standing line in your E?
Yes.
It's there? Who is next to you? Who is next to you, Nivin? Yeah, you please check it whether
Yes,
he has
ma'am.
written it correctly.
No,
Check
ma'am.
whether
This
he
is
has written correctly. Yeah, that's E, right? E.
okay, ma'am.
Yes or no? Yeah, that you corrected and give him star, okay?
Okay.
Good, Navin. Very good, Navin. Good boy. Ryan, still writing, Amma. Check it, check it. Satvik also check. Satvik, you did it correctly? Check Satvik's mom, you please check now whether he has written correctly. Roshan. Roshan finished? Did you check Roshan's mom? He has written correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then give him a tick and give him stars in that.
Okay.
Next, still Arjun. I didn't see yours. Arjun, then Rayan. Two of you are pending, children. Come on, finish it fast.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Very good, Sai Charan. Good. Good, Sai Charan. Rayan, still writing? You want me to show the slate? Rayan.
Ma'am, I'm writing how, ma'am, sorry.
Ma'am, I writing how, ma'am.
How you are writing? Ah, very good. Arjun, what are you writing?
Ma'am, I
Very good,
showing,
Rayan.
ma'am.
Yeah, nice, Rayan. Very good. But how you are writing? Like in this way? Rayan, are you writing in this way? Or this way? 1 minute, Kumaran. Okay, 1 minute, ma. Rayan, which way you are writing? This way or this way?
Ma'am.
Not that way, Rayan. How ma'am has written? Ma'am has written this way, right? Like that only. Hereafter you should write. Okay? But you have written correctly only. Okay? Good. Get it corrected and get a star. Come on, Rayan. Get it corrected and get a star. Okay? Yes, Nivin Surya. Correct, ma. Good. Good, Nivin. Now get it corrected and get a star. Very good, Nivin. Kumaran, did you finish?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Tell me, ma. Very good, Kumaran. What, Maya? Get a star, ma. Nivin, get a star. Yes, Kumaran. Wow, Kumaran, I didn't expect that you will write this way. Very nice. Good. Get corrected and get a star. Good. Get it corrected, ma. Who is next to you? Get it corrected. Get a tick mark. And then get a star. Good boy, Kumaran. High five, Kumaran. High five. High five. Oh, hello. High five. Yes, good. Next, who else? Arjun only is pending now. Arjun. 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 Wow, Arjun. Look at you, how you have written. Is this you wrote? Or somebody helped you, Arjun? Wrote on his own?
Yes.
Yes, well done, Arjun. High five, Arjun. Wonderful, Arjun. Wow. Get star from your mama. Come on. Get star. Get corrected and get a star. Very good, children. Now all of you keep your notebooks down. We learn about the parts of the body and then we'll end up the session. Okay? Yes, come on, children.
I finished, ma'am.
Yeah, I know that you finished. Keep your notebooks down, children. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me, ma. You got a star. Very good. Good, Nivin Surya. Good. Unmute and tell me, Nivin.
Ma'am, I got a star too.
Good.
I got star, ma'am.
That's what I asked. You got a star. Very good, children. Okay, all of you keep your notebooks down. Keep your notebooks, pencils down. Today we are going to learn about parts of the body in Hindi. Okay, now tell me what are the parts of your body? What is this? What is this? What is it? Nivin? Eyes. Okay, and this one?
Nose.
Nose. And this one?
Mouth.
This one?
Mouth.
And this one? This one? This one? Hands, ah? Is this hands? Is this hands? No. Fingers. Okay, and what is this? Hands. Okay. Likewise, you know in English, right? You know every part of your body in English. Now I'm going to teach you in Hindi. Listen carefully. Aank. What is it? Aank. Kaan. Kaan. Aank. Eyes. Aank. Eyes. Kaan. Ears. Kaan. Ears. Naak. Nose. Naak. Nose. Naak. Nose. Sir. Head. Sir. Head. Ungaliyan. Fingers. Ungaliyan. Fingers. Ungaliyan. Fingers. Hath. Hath. Hand.
Heart.
Hath. Hand. Hath. Hand. Okay. Aank. Eyes. Aank. Eyes. Kaan. Ears. Kaan. Ears. Naak. Nose. Naak. Nose. Raya, naak means you are showing your tongue. Naak means nose. Nose. Okay. Sir. Head. Sir. Head. Ungaliyan. Fingers. Ungaliyan. Fingers. Hath. Hand. Hath. Hand. Dant. Teeth. Dant. Teeth. Dant. Teeth. Okay. Today we learned swear. We learned rhymes, and then what did we learn? Parts of our body. Okay. So, okay, children, and that's it for the session today. I'll meet you on Thursday. Okay, children. Bye, children. Shukriya. Yeah, you should say Shukriya, children. Say Shukriya. 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 Yes. Bye, bye.